Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is work. Here is a picture of someone working. Here is work in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Work means an activity involving mental or physical effort done in order to achieve a purpose. Work. Past progressive was working, past worked. Present progressive working, present work, future will work. Let's build a sentence. I work. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. I work. How? How do I work? I work quickly. Okay, I usually do. Let's build a sentence. I work quickly. Why? Why do I work quickly? I work quickly to finish. Yeah, that's true too. Let's build a sentence. I work quickly to finish. What? What do I work quickly to finish? I work quickly to finish my new video. Let's build a sentence. I work quickly to finish my new video. Why? Why do I work quickly to finish? I work quickly to finish my new video for my students. Let's build a sentence. I work quickly to finish my new video for my students. Why? Why do I finish quickly for my students? So they can study. See how we build a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.